category, and today I got a chance in the quiz scientific world to explain my experiment, which is about how to make free light from the water. So if it's And today I got a chance in the quiz scientific world to explain my experiment, which is about how to make free light from the water. So before to start my experiment, I want to tell you that this experiment is so easy and very cheap to buy and make this experiment for those people who are not having a lot of money, and they can buy all the things of 250 rupees. Now for this experiment, some things are required, like a holder which is required for this experiment, and one bulb we will fix with this holder, and two wires which is very necessary, and two eraser blades, which is one will show the one will get the positive and second will get the negative charge, and one button to turn on and turn off the bulb. So before to start my experiment, I want to show that we will put some water this in two boxes, which I have made, one for water and one just to put there a bulb. Now I will mix some salt in this experiment, this water. 2 spoons are enough for this experiment. So you people may thinking that why I am using this salt in the water. So as you know that salt is a sodium chloride, and salt dissolves due to the water, and salt dissolves due to the electrical charges, and due to the fact that both water and salts are salt compounds are polar, with positive and negative charges on the positive sides in the molecules. And the bonds of the bonds of salt in molecules are called ionic, because they both have an electrical charges and electrical charges, and the ionic the chloride ion is negatively charged and the sodium ion is positively charged. So as we mix the salt in the water, then the covalent bond is the covalent bond of the water is the salt dissolves because the covalent bond of this water is stronger than ionic bond. So as we put the two blades in the water, and as I press the button, so it will work. Now turn off, turn on, turn off, turn on. Thanks for watching my video.